As the economy becomes harsher, your ability to buy the good things in life for yourself is affected negatively. Maybe you are someone that loves to shop but you don't have enough money that you will use to shop right now. And even though life may seem frustrated to you, you will still love to buy some things for yourself now, right? Who wouldn't? Well, there is a way for you to buy things cheaper that you will be able to save your money to buy other things later and even earn more money in the process. Yes, you will stand the chance to earn up to 50% of all your spending in this money-making system. You will be able to afford all the things you fancy in life at a cheaper price and save lots of money in the process. This system of making money online is primarily an exciting one. Before I explain this process of making money for you, I welcome you to Ready Money. This is a channel where you will learn how to earn money online legitimately and easily. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, so that you will get to see more money-making videos from this channel. The website we are talking about in this video is falcoupon.com. At Falcoupon, you will be able to maximize your online savings with coupon codes and cash back. This system in this website will automatically apply coupon codes for you when you shop and check out to maximize your savings cash back. You will earn $10 automatically when you download the app and add as extension to your Chrome browser. This is how the system works on this website. There are 4 ways of making money by saving money on your daily shopping in this website. 1. You will earn high cash back rate for every store you shop. There is $10 extra cash back for over 20,000 online merchants on this system. Some of the online shops and retailers that apply this cash back coupons are Walmart, 12.9% cash back, Crocs 18%, Blue Apron, 16%, DSW, 14%, eBay, 12.4%, Coach, 11%, Lancome, 15.1%, Colombo, 16%, Best Buy, 10.8%, and Quality, 12.8% cashback. 2. Apart from cashback coupons, you will earn free money for daily tasks you do on this website. When you complete daily tasks, you will earn up to $500 every month from this website. These are simple tasks that involves clicking simple buttons and boom, you earn money. 3. With just one click, you will receive automatic discounts to your cart in seconds. This website has more than 1 million exchange coupons codes which are guaranteed to work. 4. If you love to shop on Amazon.com, there are special coupons for you to earn more money. You will be saving up to 80% of your purchase every day. Wow! That is too much money to make on this website. This website has many ways to save money on shopping like browser extension, mobile apps cashback offers, and earn 20% cashback bonus shop by store. Popular stores that offers this cashback coupons are Amazon, Home Depot, Macy's, Converse, Walmart, Nordstrom Rack, Dell Home and more. These are some samples of the type of deals you will get from this website when you sign up. If you are receiving value from this video, please hit the like button to encourage us produce more videos on making money online. Now, let's get signed up already to start making money from this website. Getting signed up is easy and fast on this website. All you will need to do is click on sign up here, and when the sign up form opens for you, you can choose to fill the form or just use your Google or Facebook account to sign up fast. I will choose to sign up with my Google account here. I will then click on Google here, and boom, here it is. My account already functioning. These are the coupon available for me on this website, and these are also the deals for me here. And as you can see here, I have a total balance of 5,000 points, which is $5 in my account already. I can now start shopping to make money. Ciao.